Hi, this is Vizi Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to duet Instagram Reels. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So, let's go! Instagram Reels already mimics TikTok in multiple ways, and now it's getting one more feature from the popular video app Duet. On Instagram, user can now sequence or remix a reel, meaning they can upload a video next to the other users, building on top of the original clip. The feature is already popular on TikTok, often for dance challenges under the duet function. So how to use this feature on Instagram? So first of all, of course, we have to open our Instagram. Now you can choose reel that you want to duet. I will choose this as a sample. Now you can tap on the three dots here. You can tap on that. You can search for the reels that you can remix or you can duet, because not all the reels you can duet on Instagram as example. So here's this video, this reels you can duet. You can tap on the three dots here. Now you can tap on sequence. You can tap on next. You can wait. So here, after the reels video, you can record yourself. Tap on here like this, and you can tap here if you want to stop. You can tap on next to see. So the reels video will play first. After that, your video will play next. But if you want to duet, you want to your video play with the reels video, you can choose or tap on remix. So here you can record yourself when the reels play. You can tap on the camera icon here like this. You can record yourself. You can pinch to zoom in and zoom out the object of yourself. Now you can tap on start recording. You can see it, the video is placed and your video start recording. You can add music, you can add text, sticker or filters. You can tap on next to start uploading this duet. You can tap on share. So that is how to duet Instagram Reels. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you!